Hi, I'm Margaret. Fancy a bit of banana bread with some nice crunchy walnuts? Well, you've come to the right place. Well, here we go. First thing you need to do is line and grease your loaf tin. I'm using coconut oil. It's in the recipe anyway, so it doesn't change any of the flavours. Just a light coating will do. The wet ingredients go in first. This makes the basis of the batter and gives the bread a lovely moist texture. I'm using a hand whisk today because I don't want to overmix the ingredients. The bananas are well mashed. This makes sure they're well incorporated. The baking soda helps the batter to rise in the oven. The rest of these are for flavouring. I find the cinnamon goes really well with the banana flavour. With all good intentions, I always get the half teaspoon out for the salt, but generally give up and just guess. Once you get the flour into the mixture, mix it until it's just incorporated. This batter is very forgiving. It doesn't matter if there are a few lumps in it. I like to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on the top. It gives it a lovely colour. This recipe rises really well. It's crunchy on the outside, but really nice and smooth and soft in the middle. Let it cool in the tin for about 10 minutes and then about another 20 minutes once you've got it out onto the cooling rack. Another thing you can do is brush a little bit of butter over the top of the loaf. This makes it nice and golden and shiny and gives it a lovely flavour. I like my banana bread with a little bit of butter on, but it's just as nice without. Well, that's it from me. Enjoy your making and baking. Catch you next week.